What's 7 plus 2 the same as?
Money.
7 plus 2 is the same as what?
2 plus 7.
Okay, so where are you going to start out at?
7.
Okay, so where are you going to put her? Right there. Correct. Now what are we going to do?
Move 2.
2 places. Which direction? To the right. Okay.
1, 2.
All right, so 7 plus 2 is?
9.
Correct. Good job. Good job, kiddo.
Dra, dra, dra.
All right, what's the next one? What does that say?
That's boop.
That's correct. Good job. So what we have is 12 plus 3. How do we do that one? 2 plus 3, right? What's 2 plus 3? You already know that answer. Same as 3 plus 2, right?
Yes.
So what's the answer?
Have I already done it?
Yeah. But do it again. Start it on the number line.
5.
Good job. Good job. Now what's the other part? That's a beautiful 5, kiddo. Your 5s look amazing right now. Now what's the next part of it?
Better than yours?
Yeah, better than mine. So what's the rest of it? Now what do we do? 1 plus...
2.
No. We would have an empty space here, right? So what we can do is we can fill in a 0 since there's an empty space.
Hey.
Okay.
Don't use my purple.
Okay. So we can... I'll do it in red then. So we can fill in an empty space with a 0. What's 1 plus 0?
And have I done that?
Nope. Put strawberry shortcake.
Hey, have I already done that kind of math?
You have, but put strawberry shortcake where we would start. It is 1. Good job.
And
Do the 6 plus 3, we know that's the same as 3 plus 6, right?
yeah.
So if we're going to start her on the 3, how many spaces do we move the strawberry shortcake?
6.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah. So what's 6 plus 3?
This 9.
Yeah. And 3 plus 6 is what?
9.
Good job.
9 on this side.
So you make your 9. Yep, on that side. Okay, now what's the rest of it? How do we do the other part of the equation?
Don't do it.
Yes, you do. Look at
Have
it.
I already done it?
No, what are we going to do now? What part are we going to add? Which 2 numbers are we going to add? Which 2 numbers are we adding? I'm gonna give you I give you a smiley face with a tongue sticking out if you can show me which numbers that we add now.
1 plus 4.
Yeah, and what's 1 plus 4 the same as?
1 plus 4 is the same as 4 plus 1.
Good job. So where do we start at?
Now we go right here.
Yeah, no, well, where are you gonna put strawberry shortcake?
Strawberries. Should we put her over at 4 spaces?
Sure, we'll put her on the 4. How many spaces are we gonna get to add 1?
1.
So 4 plus 1 is?
4.
No, 4 plus 1, move her 1 space.
5.
Correct, so 4 plus 1 is?
5.
And 1 plus 4 is?
5.
Good job. Good job, baby.
I don't even think I've already done it.
Well, you haven't, but you know how to do it, though, right? So what part of that equation are we going to add first? Which two numbers on this are we going to add first? No, we start on the right side. So what are we going to do?
Start it on this.
The 3? Okay. So put her on the 3. And then we're going to add what to the 3?
Mm, 1.
Yep. So 3 plus 1 is what?
4.
Correct. And 1 plus 3 is what?
4.
Good job. Make your 4.
Does it start from right here?
Sure.
9 again.
You're good. Good job. Now what are we going to add? Now which two numbers?
Don't do that.
Yes, you do. 2 plus 1. That's right. So 2 plus 1 is what?
You know, that's the same as this.
That's just 2 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus 2. Good job. So how are we going to do that one? Where do we put strawberry shortcake? On the 1? Okay. So we put her on the 1. How many spaces are we going to end up moving to add 2? 1 plus what? No, because we're doing this column. If you want to, because 2 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus 2. So if you're going to start her on the 1, where are we going to move her? How many spaces? We're going to start on the 1 or are we starting on the 2? We're going to start on the 1? Okay, put her on the 1. And then we're going to add 2 to it. So how many spaces?
What are you doing with your phone?
I'm making a video so I can teach you.
Um,
So if you start her on the 1,
yep.
and we're going to add 2 to it, where does she go to?
2.
1. No, because we're going to go 2 spaces, right? 1, 2.
2.
So 2 plus 1 is,
3.
and 1 plus 2 is.
3.
Here, let me give you a number to trace, right? So you want to make this like this. Remember.
I don't understand the lines like that.
It's okay, just trace the 3 I made for you. So we can make your 3s look a little bit better. Okay, and we got one more part. What's the last part? 1 plus 1. Correct. What's 1 plus 1? Correct. What's 1 plus 1? How do we do it? All right, but where do we start strawberry shortcake off at? Hey, me. Where do we start strawberry shortcake off at? No, because there's no 3 right now. We're doing 1 plus 1. Good job. So if we started there, how many spaces are we moving her? 1, that's correct. So 1 plus 1 is? We're just going 1 space. Start at the 1, and move 1 space. So 1 plus 1 is? 2. Good job. Yeah, you do. It's right there.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Here, look. $245 plus 310. Where do we start? Which set of numbers?
I want to start on the 5.
Okay, so we're going to do 5 plus what?
0.
Which is what?
How many spaces?
I don't know. You tell me.
0, so that means we stay on this.
Correct. So what's 5 plus 0?
5.
Good job.
I didn't believe a number is a number. That's kind of the same. Does that look good? And
Yeah. That's a beautiful 5.
does that look like yours?
It does. That's a really good 5, kiddo. They've
Hey.
come a long way. Now what's the next part? What are we going to do next? Which 2 numbers?
Right here?
No, which 2 numbers?
Right here?
Yep. What is it?
Yeah.
Nope. What 2 numbers are we adding?
So we're going to start at 4.
Yep.
So 0, then you do this.
Nope, nope. We're adding what to 4? Remember, we do that column, right? So it's 4 plus what? 4 plus 1 is what?
5.
Good job. Good job. Write the answer.
Does that look even better?
Yeah, it does. Now what are we doing?
Hey, Daddy, I can't believe that's 5 and that's a 5.
I know. So what's the next equation? What's the next part of it?
We've done these ones.
Yep, but we still have one more piece of that, of the 245 plus 310. We still have one more piece over here. What else do we got to add?
Hmm.
Which 2 numbers? What is it?
2 and 3.
Which is what? 2 plus 3 is what? What's 2 plus 3? Yeah, but what's the answer?
9.
No. Come on, you know this one. You knew this one earlier without even having to look. 2 plus 3 is the same as what?
5.
It is. How'd you remember? Yeah. So put the answer in.
Why did you make all these 5s?
Just to test you and make you write the number you were having struggles with writing.
You like that one?
Yeah. Just be able to do that next problem really easy, huh? What is it?
Have I known it?
Yeah. You just did it. What's
Alright.
3 plus 2 the same as?
5.
Yeah.
Trying really hard.
Oh, make that 5 a little better. Four plus 61. Which numbers are we going to add first? 4 plus what? 1. Correct. And what's the answer?
Haven't done that.
You know what the answer is. Come on, pay attention. What's 4 plus 1? If you can't do it right off the top of your head, how would you do it with strawberry shortcake?
Her?
Yeah.
That's not her name.
Okay,
Her
whatever.
name's Raspberry.
Raspberry. Okay, so how are you going to do 4 plus 1 with raspberry?
I'm going to start at 4.
Yep.
Then go over one space.
And that's going to give you what?
5.
So 4 plus 1 is?
5.
And 1 plus 4 is?
5.
That's right.
Are these both ones? Or 5s?
Nope.
Are they both 5?
Nope, but put your 5 in for the 4 plus 1. Okay, now you got one more. One more part of that. What is it?
I
Now what 2 numbers are you adding? 6, right? So what are we going to add to it? Correct. Because 4 plus 6 is the same as 6 plus 4, correct? Good job. So 4 plus 6 is what?
10.
Right. So you gotta make your 10 in there. Good job. So 44 plus 61 is 105. Good job. You did some really good math today. Psh. Proud of you,
I
kiddo.
haven't done it in a long time.
I know. You don't forget it, do you? Hey, Mini-Me, what do you say to people when they tell you they can't do things?
You can.
Yeah?
Yeah. What are you looking at?